Youth League of ODM party for the wonderful meeting that they have had today. And my presence here actually demonstrates that the top leadership of this party is committed to having a stronger and vibrant youth league. So I'm here to represent the top leadership and my other two deputy party leaders to say that as the top leadership of the party, we will support the youth league to be what it should be. And I'm happy that we are now revamping the youth league to make it a key and vital organ of our party as we prepare for the grassroots election, which are supposed to start in November. So the party is moving forward, as the SG has said, that we are a party with an identity. And our identity is to promote social justice and democracy in this country. We are not going to seize that space. We will continue doing that, even though some of our members are in the broad-based government. We will pursue that path for the benefit of all the Kenyans. And the Youth League is also going to organize several forums of this nature across the country so that we get as many youth as possible joining ODM. And ODM is the only party in this country. I know I'm making a controversial statement, but you know that recently the Registrar of Political Party came out with an audit report and said the only party that is compliant to the Political Parties Act is the Orange Democratic Party. So the Registrar of Political Parties, we want you to go further and say that the only party that people should join in this country should be a party that is compliant, and that party is the Orange Democratic Movement.
Thank you. Last but certainly not least, to say a few words, the Governor of Siaya, who has graced this occasion.